Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 because of this error code that is 0x80070005. Now the first step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell and run as administrator. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the last command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once this is done, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update. Still not working, then the next step is to type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. Find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update. Then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click and then click on restart. Once done, scroll up at the top somewhere you will find app readiness. Make a double click, set this to automatic again. Apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on app readiness, click on restart, and then go back to Windows Update. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then check. Still not working, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here, and once it is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this scan will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update. Still not working, you can use Windows 11 installation assistant. For this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Sorry, not this website, this website. The link is provided in the video description. Let me remove this. Open this link. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. And over here, if you see update option or install option, you can update or click on install. In my case, it is already up to date. So if you see update or install option, you can install it. Still not working. The next step is to close all third-party application on your computer. If you have any third-party antivirus, you can disable your antivirus program while installing the update. Once you're done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Uninstall any third-party anti-cheat program, like if you have Faceit anti-cheat, Riot Vanguard, or any third-party anti-cheat, you can uninstall it, restart your computer, and then check. Still not working. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use Media Creation Tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see Media Creation Tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. This will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 to version 2.5H2. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.